Artificial Intelligence, AI, and its impact on manufacturing. Hello and welcome to this video on the topic of artificial intelligence and its impact on manufacturing. In recent years, the integration of artificial intelligence into the manufacturing industry has revolutionized the way factories operate. From predicting production line behavior to identifying potential issues before they arise, AI has greatly improved the efficiency of manufacturing processes. When it comes to the integration of AI into manufacturing, the benefits are numerous. For example, using machine learning algorithms to predict the behavior of production lines can help to optimize production schedules, reduce downtime and increase productivity. Additionally, AI can also be used to identify potential issues before they arise, allowing factories to take preventative measures and reduce the risk of equipment failure or production disruptions. In terms of the overall impact on the global economy, it's estimated that the adoption of AI in manufacturing could result in a 5% increase in global GDP by 2025. This highlights the potential of AI to not only improve efficiency but also drive economic growth. When it comes to investing in AI and manufacturing, companies like Fanuc, AB, and Siemens is at the forefront of this trend. These companies are investing heavily in the development of AI-powered solutions for the manufacturing industry, making them strong options for those looking to invest in the space. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI has the potential to greatly improve the efficiency of manufacturing processes and drive economic growth. From predicting production line behavior to identifying potential issues, the benefits of AI in manufacturing are numerous. While there are certainly challenges and concerns around the integration of AI, the potential for a positive impact on the industry is immense. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out some of the recommended YouTube channels and references for more information on this topic.